I know, I think it's not the way to go. It's not, like, we need that angst and the revenge. And but I think this is the first happy love song that we've ever written. It is. It's the first happy... Wow, that's sad. How old are we? Third record. And finally we get a happy... We're breaking. Finally, third record. Yeah, this is going to paint it for you guys now. It's like the cutest love song we've ever written. It's like our 90s love song. It's called Heart Like a Boat.